true goddess of makeup can do everything. Draw winged eyeliner with a licorice stick, define her eyebrows using kohl, do her contouring with popcorn, and blush her cheeks with gouache. It's all about our new makeup challenge, food versus school supplies. Two goddesses of makeup, Dolly and Belle, have got invitations to a beauty ball, except that they still have to earn a possibility to take part in it. A test of makeup skills lies ahead for the girls. First things first, they need to pass one test, which is to take makeup off their faces. We use our scary weapon, a sprayer. Dolly and Belle are tortured heavily with water. As a result, the entire makeup is ruined. Their eye and lip makeup melts away. This is not for the faint of heart. The makeup guru offers them wipes. Girls, wipe off your tears and makeup remains, cause a real challenge is going to begin. Dolly and Belle are reaching out to take their best friend's makeup bags. But the rules of the challenge are severe. No makeup products are allowed. Today, we will apply makeup using school supplies and food. The guru takes away the entire arsenal of their beauty products. Doing your makeup with regular products is so boring. It is way more interesting to use unusual means. For example, starch or chalk. The contestants get their first task. They have to use colored chalk and starch instead of face powder. Challenge accepted. Belle hurries up to get rid of her rival and makes her go to another room. Bye-bye, darling. But Dolly isn't at a loss. She takes peach chalk. It matches her face tone perfectly. Cover a piece of paper with chalk. Then take a big makeup brush. Put on some chalk and apply it to your face. The skin acquires a soft peach shade. The chalk has done its job perfectly. Meanwhile, Belle has to use white starch instead of face powder. She dips a brush and powders her entire face with the starch. Achoo! Oh boy! Sneezing while you do your makeup is definitely a bad idea. Now, Belle has got an amazing white mustache. Bless you! The guru comes up with a new task. What do paints and candies have in common? Bright colors! I get pearl watercolors. It can be used as eyeshadow. First of all, let's add some water. Dip a makeup brush into water and take on some paint. Apply yellow paint to my lid and add some bright accents. Define the outer V with orange paint and blend it out the top. Use silver color for the inner corner. Define the lower lash line to emphasize your eyes even more. Now my eyes look like a picture. Belle has a more complicated task. She gets only a strip of chewing candy for her eye makeup. And what should she do with it? But she will pull off the job. Firstly, cut out a candy detail to fit your eyelid shape. Make a sharpened corner as though you are a superhero. Leave your upper lid free so that you can open your eyes. Dampen your skin with water and attach the candy across the lid contour. Good job, Belle! You nailed it! Your sweet rainbow eye makeup is fabulous! The makeup guru is about something again. She turns a licorice fish into a stick and gives a new task. Belle has to draw winged eyeliner using licorice. I love sweets. This is why a licorice stick doesn't scare me off. I do my eyeliner on upper and lower lash line with the black licorice stick. Now, Belle's got vamp's eyes. Lady Licorice is on the hunt. Watch out, rivals! But Dolly has a plan too. School supplies are her strong suit. I get watercolor pencils and color my drawing with it. And what if I use them for makeup? A dry pencil doesn't work on skin, but once you dip it in water, it works as paint. I'm doing bright purple eyeliner. It is on par with the licorice eye makeup. A coffee break inspires the beauty guru for another smart idea. It's time to deal with brows. We can use coffee and kohl. Belle drinks coffee. The same idea occurs to her. Why not define her brows using coffee? Dip a brush into your drink and define your eyebrows. Ready? Now the flavor of fresh brewed coffee will fill the air around me all day long. Try to top my success, my friend. Even a brush thrown directly at Dolly can't scare her off. She makes a sketch with kohl, and the idea to define her eyes with kohl suddenly strikes her. A couple of graphic lines and the perfect eyebrow makeup is done. No need to try hard, you can do your makeup right during the art class. The makeup guru comes back with some purchases. She has ingredients for the next test in her shopping cart. Honey, Skittles, glue stick, and glitter. Get down to business, girls. Dolly has to do her lips using school supplies. Firstly, she applies some glue to her lips, and then she adds some stardust. She sprinkles her lips with glitter. It is impossible to look away from this sparkling lip makeup. Be sure not to lick the glittered glue. As for me, I can lick my makeup as much as I wish. I've got bright candies and honey. Apply a thin layer of honey to your lips and color them with a red Skittles candy on top. You may experiment with colors as much as you want. Green or blue lips, why not? My lip design looks like a beautiful rainbow gummy. Popcorn with cinnamon smells so good. Why not use it in the challenge along with pastel? The next job is to do contouring. Belle has sweet popcorn with cinnamon. It means that she will have some spicy contouring today. Dip a brush in the flavored popcorn and define your cheekbones. It's so nice when you can enjoy a yummy and do your makeup at the same time. And Dolly is going to define her cheekbones with dry pastel. Apply the pastel of an appropriate color to your cheekbones and blend it out nicely with a brush. Define the forehead a bit. This is what I call contour drawing. The makeup gurus prepared glitter and jelly candies as highlighter. Belle has sparkling jelly candies, an ice cream, and a cake? I want to eat them at once, but makeup comes first. Use candies instead of highlighter. Define cheekbones, bridge of your nose, and your forehead. Now I glow just like my jelly candies. And Dolly has sparkling tape. She tapes her cheekbones. No way! This is too much! Now I look like a victim of beauty. I'd better use glitter. Apply silver glitter to your cheekbones and temple area around your eyes. Now I'm glowing like a star. If you see me falling, it might bring you good luck. The makeup guru is sure that gouache and raspberries are the best blush products. Let's check it. Can Belle's makeup be brighter than it is now? Yes, if she uses raspberry jelly candy in the right way. Dip a jelly raspberry into water and rub it against your cheeks. Belle is happy. Any sweet tooth will like this edible makeup for sure. If you are hungry, just lick your lips and take the sweet eyeshadow off your eyes. A safe option. Dolly's got some dry gouache instead of blush. And what should she do with it? It's quite surprising, but it turns out that dry gouache works greatly and blends out nicely. And it can easily add some blush to your cheeks. It's time to sum everything up. The makeup guru is satisfied. The girls have done a great job. They confirmed their titles of the makeup goddesses because they can do their makeup with any products. The beauty ball is waiting for you. Welcome! Did you like our makeup challenge? Then write in your comments what you would prefer for your makeup: sweet candies or bright school supplies. Be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss the latest beauty ideas.